Here is how you can remind yourself to do something on the iPhone. So for that, we have a dedicated app which is called Reminders. This is what it looks like, the white icon with the colored dots on the left. So if you don't see it on the home screen right away, just swipe down like this so you get to the search, and in here you can type in Reminders, and this is the app which I'm talking about. Obviously it's made by Apple, completely free to use, so you can get inside like this, and this is going to be the main page you see, and you can organize it in different folders and set up so many random features about it. But the easiest way to do it is to simply click on the plus button in the bottom right corner. So there is the plus button like this, and you just give it a title like, I don't know, do something, right? That's going to be the task that we actually set up, and then we need to choose when it's supposed to remind you about it or when you're supposed to actually do the something, right? So we can enable the date, for example, a week from now. The time doesn't have to be enabled like this, and that's how it is supposed to work, right? That's how you can set it up. And yeah, you can even click on more details and set up some other things about it, because of course you have the early reminders, so you can even get reminded about it like days before, so that's possible too, and you're going to be reminded about it. So that's very useful. Make sure you have it set up like this, but also make sure that notifications are turned on for this app. So if you go to the settings like this and go to notifications, make sure you find reminders on the list in here. So it was right there, and make sure that notifications are turned on so you can actually get the notifications delivered about the things you don't want to forget about. So that's the full guide. That's how you can make sure you use the iPhone to remind you about something. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later.